Alright y'all, it's seriouslyquisha back with another video, and today we're going to be doing some faux locks. So let's get right into it. I ended up getting 3 packs of the new locks. It's the 24-inch. I see everybody that do the soft locks, they mostly use this hair, so I got that. And I also picked up this hair to wrap around the roots to cover my real hair on the locks. I got this. I've used this brand before. I love it, so I picked it up. I did 59 braids. They're pretty much medium size. So I already braided my hair. So I did the part that takes the most time already. So that's how that's looking. Let me show you guys the back. To get the accurate amount of locks, I went ahead and braided my hair first before I went to the beauty supply store, so I won't overspend on that expensive hair because it was like $11.99 a pack. But yeah, so let's get right into it. So I didn't really care about getting my edges into any of the braids because, you know, I'm gonna swoop them up. We don't need more breakage than that already done happened to my edges. So we're gonna start back here. So I'm gonna just go ahead and start and let y'all just watch me do what I do, because I don't want to talk and this video be longer than what it needs to be. So just enjoy me doing my hair, and yeah. So y'all, I went ahead and did from the crown to the back all off camera because I had to get down my technique and I didn't want this video to be super long and dragged out. But I love it, y'all. Let me show y'all how long it is. It is past my butt crack. Like, I don't know if I'm gonna cut it, but we'll see, like, once I finish. But I'm loving it so far. Let me show y'all the back. I'm not the biggest fan on how I did the parts, but I like the style. And you would think for these being so like long, you would think it'd be heavy, but it's still super light. I'm only 5'3" and this is 24 inches, and as you can see, this goes past my butt. So whew, I think I would have been okay with an 18-inch.
3, 4, 5,
Okay, because I literally have 25 left. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed this up so we can finish.
Brian Little.
Your girl is halfway to the end, and I just had to come back and let y'all see it. Y'all, this is so freaking, oh, I love it, I love it. But let's see how it looks when I'm done. Okay, y'all, so this is the end results of the hairstyle. I love it. Now, what I don't love is the jewels I got. I mean, they're okay. They're just cheap. They keep coming apart from the glue. It just, okay, anyways. But other than that, the hairstyle came out so good. Like I said before, I got 3 packs of the new locks, and I got 1 pack of the spring twist hair. So I use every last single little bit of hair that I bought. So I guess I was very efficient with my money because I had just enough hair to finish my head. But Everything came out good. I love it. It's so weightless and it's so freaking long. Like, it's past your girl's butt. Like, I can't even show y'all that good, but here's the back. The back is good. I plan on keeping this in for like 3-4 weeks. It's super long. I might cut it, but I cannot wait to try the little style where you twist it and you kind of like bantu knot it up. That's gonna be cute. That's the main reason why I wanted the new lock hair, because it's easier to manipulate it, you know, to do whatever you want to do, versus the distressed butterfly locks. Those are harder, but this is very flexible and it looks very natural in person. I was kind of scared that it wasn't gonna look as natural, but it really does. So love it, y'all. What y'all think? Let me know down in the comments what y'all think of this style. And that wraps up the end of this video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next one.